Hi students, good morning. Today we start with standard 5th lesson second lesson number work. Okay, our first lesson already we have completed. Okay, I hope your homework also will be completed. See here, problem set 1. Okay, first lesson will be Roman numerals. Okay, then we have completed the problem set first. Okay, then see, today we start second lesson number work. Take out your textbooks and open page number 3. Okay, then see the textbooks here. At the starting of the lesson, here some problem set second is given for you. Okay, and this problem set on the basis of your last year studies. Okay, this problem set on the basis of your last year studies. See here, in the last year we have to learn 4-digit, 5-digit numbers. Okay, then you easily solve this problem set. Okay, so we first start this problem set with this problem set. Okay, then we have to write these problems in your notebook and solve it. Okay, then today we start with 6-digit numbers. 6-digit numbers. Six-digit numbers. See, in the last year we learned up to 5-digit numbers. See here, I am writing here one 5-digit number. So first we read this number. See, anyone read this number? Then see here, this is the unit place. Then after tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, then we read these two digits together. Okay, then 23,000. 23,000. 23,000. Then after 1000 place 4. 400. 400. And tens and unit together. Okay, 419. 19. Here 23,419. 23,419. Okay, we have to learn this at the last year. Okay, and today we start 6-digit number. Okay, then see, we take example from the problem set 3. Okay, see, take one example. This is the number. Then how to read this number? See here, how to read this number? Up to 5-digit we have to learn. Okay, then last digit is added here. Okay, one digit is added to this number. Then see here, first place is unit place. Okay, then tens place. After 100, then see here 1000 place. Then 10,000. Okay, and after this 10,000, the place is coming, then call after 10,000 lakh. Okay, see here, first unit place, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, this place is called lakh place. Okay, so we have to write this number here. 765 like this. Okay, see here, 4 is at unit place, 3 at tens place, 2 at the 100 place. Okay, 5 at 1000 place, 6 at 10,000 place, and 7 at lakhs place. Okay, so we read this number like this. First we read the lakh place. Okay, 7 lakh, 7 lakh, and to read these two digits at a time. Okay, 7 lakh 65,000. See here, if we read these two digits together, then take the name of this place. Okay, after this digit. जब हम ये दोनों डिजिट एक साथ रीड करते हैं तो प्लेस नेम कौन सा हमें बोलना है, उस टाइम पे लास्ट डिजिट का जो प्लेस नेम होता है वो बोलना होता है. ओके, वी हैव टू रीड द दिस प्लेस नेम. ओके, देन हियर 7,65,234. Okay, how to read this number? 7,65,234. Then see right here, 7 lakh 65,234. See here, first read this number, then after these two digits, and after that this one. Okay, 7,65,234. Okay, understood this? We take second example. See here, second example. In the second example, see, this is unit place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this lakh. Okay, so we read this number as 9 lakh. There is 1000 or 10,000 place, there is 0, so we don't read this. Okay, then 999. Here in the 10,000 and the 1000 place, 0 is here, so we read only 9 lakh 999. See here, 9 lakh. There is no 10,000 digit and 1000 digit, so we does not write here. Okay, then write this 900 and 99. Understood this? If 0 is coming, so does not write this 0 place. Okay, 9 lakh 999. Only write this. Okay, see, then take one example and you tell me answer of this number. Okay, try to read this number. See here, 5 is present at the lakhs place. Okay, so we write here 5 lakh. Okay, then after this 10,000 and 10,000. Okay, to read this number together, 75,000. 75,000. After that 100 place. See here, 0 at the 100 place, so we don't write here 100 place. So after that 10. 5,010. Okay, see here 5,75,010. Okay, see here if we give a number in a words and you write in figures, then how to write? See here 9,999. The number is given in words you. Okay, then you have to write the number. Then see here first we read this first part. Okay, 9 lakh. So we write first 9 lakh. Okay, then after lakh 10,000 place is coming here. Okay, 10,000 place, 10,000 and 1,000. Then see here 10,000 or 1,000 number is here in the words? No, so we write here 0 at the 10,000 and also 1,000 place. Okay, then after that 900 is coming. Okay, 900. So we write at the 100 place 9 and 99, 99 tens place and unit place 99. Okay, so we write numbers in figures also. Okay, from the numbers in words. Okay, then see second example 5,75,010. How to write this number in figures? Then see first we write 5 lakh, then 75,000. Okay, after lakh place 10,000 place is coming, so we write 75,000, 75,000. Then see here after 1,000 place 100 place. Okay, so see here 100 is digits, the at the 100 place is not here. Okay, so we write at the 100 place 0, 0, and after that 10 at the unit place and tens place 10. See here 5,75,010. Okay, you have to understood. If we give a number in figures, then we have to write in words. Okay, and say similarly, if a number is given in the words, so we have to write in figures. First read and write. Okay, then see next point, 7-digit numbers. Next point is 7-digit number. Okay, then see, take one example of that. See here, unit place, tens place, 100 place. Okay, then 1,000 and 10,000 place. After that lakhs place. Okay, now you study here. Okay, before that point. Then see after lakh place which place is coming? See here, like the 1,000 and 10,000 place. Okay, the lakh and 10 lakhs place here. Left of the lakh place 10 lakh is place name. Okay, see 10 lakh, 10 lakh place 10,000, then after 1,000. Okay, after 1,000 100 place, then tens and unit place. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7-digit number as like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then write this number here 5 4 7 2 1 and 3. Okay, then see how to read this number or how to write the numbers in words. Okay, here first we read these 2 digits together, then after these 2 digits together. Okay, 10 lakh and lakhs place. Then after 10,000 and 1000 place. And 100 tens unit place as we write as the 6-digit number. Same as the 6-digit number. Okay. Then here first we write these 2 digits together and write the name of the place of second digit or last digit. Okay. Then see here 31 and which is the place name here? Lakhs place. 31 lakh. After that 10,000 and 1,000. 25,000. 25,000. See, after that 100 tens and units. 745. 745. Okay. Then see, this is same as 6-digit number. Only this digit is add to this number. Okay. Only one digit added to this. Then we have to read first these 2 digits together. Okay. 31 lakh 25,745. Okay. Understood here? Okay. We take the second example. If we take second example, you easily remember this. Okay. Here next example. Here, read this number first. Okay. See. Unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. Then we read these 2 numbers together. 30 lakh. 30 lakh. Then these 2 digits together. Okay. 70,000. 70,000. 70,000 and 506. 506. Okay. Write step by step. First this, then these 2 digits, and after this, these 3 digits. Okay. 30,70,506. Okay. Then see like this, you solve many examples. Okay. See here, problem set 4, 3 and 4. Okay. In problem set 3, 3 questions are there. See here. First question, read the numbers and write them in words. You read these numbers and write in the words. Then second, read the numbers and write them in figures. In this question, the numbers given in words, you have to write in only figures. And see here, last question, make 5 6-digit numbers each times using any of the digits 0 to 9 only once. At the last question, we have to write the 5 6-digit numbers by using 0 to 9 digits. Okay. Then see problem set 4. Read the numbers and write them in words. Same as the problem set 5. Okay. Only one digit is added here. Okay. Then see second question. Given below are the deposits made in the Women's Cooperative Credit Society of some districts. Read those figures. Here some deposits are given for you. Then we read this only. Okay, read the numbers only. So you have to complete problem set 3 and 4. Okay, in your notebooks. Then After that, last point of this lesson, place value and expanded form. Place value and the expanded form. Okay. See here, we already learned the place values about the for the digits up to 5-digit numbers. Okay. Then in this lesson we have to write the place values up to 7-digit numbers. Okay. And the expanded form also. Okay. So see here. I taken one example, and with the help of this example we explain these two terms. Okay. See here, read this number first. 27,65,043. Okay. 27,65,043. Then see here how to write the place value and the expanded form. First you write here digits. Then this place name, and after that place value, okay. See here, in this number, these are the 7 digits. So we have to write here digits. Like this. Okay. See here, these are the digits of this number. Okay. Then write place name. Okay. You write place name of these digits. See here, 3 is present at which place? At the unit place. Okay. At the unit place. After unit place, tens place. Then 100 place. Then thousands place. After 1000 place, 10,000 place. Then after 10,000, lakhs place. And after lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. See here, first we write like this. Okay. This is easy step for writing this. Okay. First we write unit place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. You remember these places. Okay. First unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Then we write the place value of that digit. Okay. Place value of that digit. See here, this 2 is present at 10 lakhs place. Okay. So place value of this 2 is 20 lakh. We write like this. 20 lakh. Okay. You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh means 20 lakh. Then here 7. 7 is at lakhs place. So the place value of this 7th digit is 7 lakh. 7 lakh. Okay. Then 6. 6 is present at the 10,000 place. Okay. So place value of this 6 is 60 60,000. 60,000. Okay. 60,000. Then see, place value of this 5. 5,000. 5,000. 0, 0 as it is. Okay. Then place value of this 4 is 4 tens means 40. And last 3 as it is because it's at unit place. So see here, these 2 at 10 lakhs place. So the place value of this 2 digit is 20 lakh. After that 7 lakh. 6 10,000 means 60,000. 5,000. 0, then 4 times means 40 and 3 units. See here, you write like this, okay? Then see how to write expanded form of this number. Then see, thank you. See here, remaining part of this lesson I will teach you in last lecture.